In this guide, we'll see how to freeze your streak on Duolingo. Maintaining a high streak score on Duolingo can be a great motivation for consistent language learning. If you want to ensure you don't lose your streak due to missing a day or two, here's what to do. Begin by launching the Duolingo app on your mobile device and tap on the gems icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This icon may also look like a shopping cart or store icon, depending on the app version. Scroll down the list of available items until you find the Streak Freeze option. Tap on the Streak Freeze option and your available gems, like in-app currency, will be automatically detected. Confirm the purchase by following the prompts. Once purchased, the Streak Freeze will be active. This feature ensures that if you miss 1 or 2 days of lessons, your streak will be preserved. Just ensure that you have enough gems to purchase the Streak Freeze. You can earn gems by completing lessons, practicing regularly, or through in-app purchases. Streak Freeze needs to be purchased before you miss a day. It won't restore a streak that has already been lost. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.